Want to upgrade your car with Apple CarPlay or Android Auto without replacing your factory stereo? A portable CarPlay screen is the easiest way to add smart navigation, music streaming, voice control, and safety features to any vehicle. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best CarPlay screens in 2026, starting from the best option down to the most budget-friendly choice. I'll cover features, performance, pros, cons, and which one you should buy. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's jump in. Number 1. Portable Apple CarPlay Screen, 10-inch wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, 4K dashcam. Taking the top spot is the 10-inch portable Apple CarPlay screen with wireless CarPlay and Android Auto support. It features a large touch display, built-in 4K dashcam, 1080p backup camera, mirror link, voice control, music playback, and GPS navigation. This model stands out because of its large 10-inch display and premium 4K dashcam, something most competitors don't offer. The screen is bright, responsive, and easy to view while driving. Wireless connectivity is stable, voice control works smoothly, and installation is quick. The included dashcam and backup camera add strong safety value. Pros: large 10-inch display, built-in 4K dashcam, smooth wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, high-quality backup camera, premium features and performance. If you want the best overall performance, display size, and safety features, this is the top CarPlay screen in 2026. Number 2. 8.1-inch HD CarPlay screen with 2K dashcam, wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, 1080p backup camera, Bluetooth, GPS, aux audio, and voice control. This device delivers an excellent balance between price and performance. The 2K dashcam provides clear recording, and the compact screen fits well in most vehicles. Touch response is fast, connectivity is reliable, and installation is simple. It's ideal for drivers wanting premium features without paying top price. Pros: 2K dashcam built in, compact and clean design, reliable wireless connectivity, good price to performance ratio, easy installation. A great mid-range option with strong features and excellent value. Number 3. Wireless Apple CarPlay screen for car, 9-inch with 4K dashcam, 1080p backup camera, GPS navigation, mirror link, Bluetooth 5.2, and OTA updates. Also includes plug-and-play installation. The standout feature here is OTA updates, which keep the system current over time. Bluetooth 5.2 ensures fast and stable connectivity, and the large screen provides a great viewing experience. It's a solid everyday smart upgrade for most cars. Pros: large 9.26-inch display, OTA software updates, fast Bluetooth 5.2 connection, simple installation, reliable performance. Great for users who want future-proof features and reliable performance. Number 5. 9-inch CarPlay and Android Auto screen for car with backup camera. A budget-friendly option with Bluetooth, GPS navigation, aux audio output, and 1080p backup camera support. This is a simple plug-and-play system designed for affordability and universal compatibility. It offers stable wireless connectivity and smooth basic performance. It doesn't have premium features, but it covers all essential needs. Pros: very affordable, easy installation, universal compatibility, backup camera included, good basic functionality. Perfect for budget buyers who want essential CarPlay features without spending much. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best CarPlay screens in 2026. Each of these options offers great features like wireless connectivity, smart navigation, voice control, and improved driving safety. So the best choice really depends on your budget and needs. If you want the best overall experience, the number 1 pick is the top choice. But if you're looking for something more affordable, the other options are still excellent upgrades for any car. If this video helped you, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest tech reviews and buying guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.